With your video forecast update from the National Weather Service office in Phoenix, I'm meteorologist Jared High on this Sunday evening. Dry weather continues to be the big story around here with warming temperatures through the week. This is the rainfall picture so far this year. For Phoenix, officially around a half an inch of rain is all we have seen at the airport. That's 2 inches below normal. And that puts us at our 8th driest start to a calendar year on record here in the valley. So very dry conditions. The drought is worsening, and we do expect little rain over the next several days to come. Case in point here, hard to find a cloud in the sky across the desert this evening as we look west from downtown. Notice a few high clouds over parts of Mexico, and any active weather is going to stay well away from us for the next couple of days as heat continues to build. Upper 90s tomorrow from the metro westward, even closing in on 100 degrees potentially across the Imperial Valley of Southeast California. Places like Globe could also get very close to 90 degrees for tomorrow. Now moving toward Tuesday, that's when we expect to see some more changes in our weather. No, we're not going to see any rain, but we will see more wind. Winds will pick up from 25 to 35 miles an hour on Tuesday afternoon and early evening, and that could give us a little bit of a fire weather concern as well. There are some of the wind gusts we're forecasting. Again, 25 to 30 in the metro, 30 to 35 out to the west, closer to the Colorado River, and localized gusts could approach 40 miles an hour with some patchy blowing dust. This is the Storm Prediction Center fire weather outlook for each day of the work week, and notice in orange there are parts of the state of Arizona indicated for elevated fire weather potential. So we will be keeping an eye on that because really we don't see a big change in our weather story until we head toward Friday and the weekend. That's when a weather system will pass by to our north. It's unfortunately not going to give us much of any in the way of precipitation. I do think we will stay dry with this system, and all the guidance suggests that, but the temperatures will drop down to around 80 on Friday and low 80s for Saturday, so we will take that as a relief from the heat. But you can see there the WPC does have a little bit of precipitation noted in the higher terrain north of Phoenix, but it is less than 1/10 of an inch, and any heavy rain is off to the west and northwest. The weather risk outlook here showing over the next week or so, the heat is the main concern here in Phoenix, and our week 2 trends are not helpful in terms of rain opportunities. Little to no rain is forecast, below normal precipitation, and hotter than normal temperatures across the southwest. Hopefully everyone has a great work week out there from all of us here at the NWS Phoenix. Have a great night.